Making new friends. Hello everyone. Have you ever met someone for the first time and thought, I wonder if we could become good friends? Making new friends can be exciting, but it can also feel a little difficult. We may not know what to say, how to start a conversation, or whether the other person will like us. But the truth is, making friends is often much simpler than we think. Can begin with something as small as a smile. Imagine you are at a new school, a new workplace, or even a new neighborhood. You don't know many people. Everyone around you seems busy. Then someone smiles and says, "Hi." That small moment can make you feel welcome. So, if you want to make new friends, don't be afraid to say hello. You don't need an interesting story or a perfect conversation starter. You can simply say, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Is this your first time here?" Or even, "How do you know everyone here?" Simple questions can start interesting conversations. One of the best ways to make friends is to show genuine interest in people. Ask them about their hobbies. Ask what kind of music they like. Ask about their favorite movies or sports. You might discover that you have something in common. Maybe you both enjoy cooking. Maybe you both love football. Maybe you both like traveling. Maybe you are both learning English. A shared interest can be the beginning of a great friendship. But remember, friendship is not only about talking. Listening is just as important. When someone tells you a story, listen carefully. Don't keep checking your phone. Don't interrupt them. Ask questions about what they are saying. Good listeners make people feel important and respected. Another important thing is to be yourself. Sometimes when we meet new people, we try too hard to impress them. We may pretend to like things we don't like. We may try to sound smarter or more interesting. But you don't need to do that. A real friendship should be comfortable. You should be able to laugh, share your opinions, and be yourself. Of course, not every person you meet will become your friend. And that's okay. You might have a great conversation with someone but never see them again. Another person might become a casual friend. And sometimes, someone you barely know today can become your best friend in the future. Friendship takes time. Trust takes time. You don't have to become close immediately. Spend time together. Talk regularly. Help each other. Share experiences. Little by little, the friendship can become stronger. Another great way to meet people is to join activities. You could join a sports club. You could attend a class. You could join a book club. You could volunteer. You could take part in community activities. When people meet regularly and share an activity, it becomes much easier to build friendships. Technology can help too. You can connect with people through online groups, learning communities, or shared interests. But remember to be careful when meeting people online. Take your time and protect your personal information. Making friends also requires kindness. If someone needs help, offer your support. If someone looks nervous, start a conversation. If a new person joins your class or workplace, welcome them. Think about how you would feel if you were the new person. A little kindness can make someone's day much better. Sometimes the hardest part is taking the first step. You may think, what if they don't want to talk to me? But don't let that fear stop you. The other person may be nervous too. They may also be thinking, I wish someone would talk to me. So be brave. Mail. Say hello. Ask a simple question. You may be surprised by what happens next. I also think it's important to keep in touch. After meeting someone you like, send them a message. Ask how they are doing. Invite them for coffee. Suggest going for a walk. You don't need to make a big plan. Sometimes a simple invitation is enough. The more time you spend together, the more comfortable you become. And that's how friendships grow. One thing I have learned is that good friends can make life much better. They give us someone to talk to. They share our happiness. They support us when life is difficult. They encourage us to try new things. And they create memories that we can enjoy for years. So don't be afraid of meeting new people. You never know who might become an important person in your life. That person sitting next to you could become a close friend. The person you meet at a class could become a lifelong friend. And one simple hello could be the beginning of a wonderful relationship. So, the next time you meet someone new, take a deep breath, smile, and start a conversation. You don't need perfect English. You don't need perfect confidence. You just need to take the first step. Now let me ask you a few questions. Do you enjoy meeting new people? Where do you usually meet new friends? What do you look for in a good friend? Are you comfortable starting conversations with strangers? And what is the best advice you would give someone who wants to make new friends? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember, every friendship starts somewhere. Sometimes it starts with a smile. Sometimes it starts with a simple question. And sometimes it starts with just 2 words. Hello there. Take care, keep smiling, and don't be afraid to meet new people. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.